There are several types of emails that you can send to your consumer database. The main types are automatic emails, which can be welcome emails, confirmation emails, abandoned cart emails, reminders, and reactivation emails for those who have not engaged with your brand for a long time. When sending promotional emails, include discounts and products. Content emails give users relevant and useful information without directly selling your product. And lastly, partners emails. Now let's talk about each type of email in detail. Automated emails are sent automatically at a certain time according to a certain preset conditions. These automatic emails can be transactional or promotional. You can remind your customers about webinars, upcoming events, and abandoned shopping carts at your online store. These emails can be planned in long chains depending on your customer behavior. These emails are also called trigger emails and are sent automatically based on predefined events or conditions met by a user through certain behaviors, actions, or other signals. This is one of the most effective forms of email communication. Trigger mailings allow you to become friends with a person by using an automated email chain. A person will receive a chain of letters by subscribing to your lead magnets, like a free ebook, for example. There should be a final target action like buying a course from you at the end of this chain. The first letter a person receives should contain an ebook. After studying it for several days or a week, he should receive a second letter. The second letter should contain a video about the same topic. There also should be a feedback option within the email where a user had the option to tell you whether they found your video useful. Once the person has given feedback, another video is sent along with an offer to purchase a product at a discount. If a person does not open this letter, he should be sent another letter asking why he didn't open the previous letter. The trigger chain can be 2, 3, or 100 interactions. The main thing to understand is the end goal and that the content you are sending out is high quality. At first, stick to sending out content that is relevant to their interest. For most businesses, there will be long chains for their products and services. The length of a chain depends on the value of the product or service that is being sold. For example, to sell a product for $200, one letter is enough, but if the cost of the service is $5,000, then more letters will be needed. How often letters are sent is determined by the time it takes to make a purchase decision. If you sell real estate and the timetable for deciding to buy property is 6 months, you should be sending out letters 1 time per week for 6 months. So let's go through an email chain as an example to see how it could work for an online school. What could be a lead magnet in this situation? For example, you could give users 5 to 10 euros on their account a card for the loyalty program if they would subscribe to your newsletter. Okay, so people will subscribe and then you send them an email saying, "Hi, we are too happy to see you. We are going to give you some promotional emails, special offers, etc." That can be the first email. In the next email, you will send the audience basic info. For example, you can ask them if they want to activate their loyalty card and tell them how your online school works. You can ask them to add the debit cards to the online school, etc. The next email should basically say, "We are the top online school and you don't have to go to another online school because we have everything you need." Then you have to show proof you are the best. You have to say something like, "We have such and such worth of reviews of your customers for this or that," and so on. The next email will be your call to action email. Here is an example. Today we have a Black Friday sale. It's great time to buy our courses. Our offer is having a 3-for-1 deal, and it is a good time to buy them. After this email, another email can be sent automatically. For example, we send them a 3-for-1 deal for our courses, but they didn't open the letter. We will then send them a notification email that reminds them about the deal, or we can say, "Hey guys, we can also give you a discount on other courses." Send notifications emails to people who do not open your call to action emails. You can also say, Everyone, our special offer is ending really soon. You have to hurry if you want the best deal. After people buy your courses, send them a feedback email. It can say something like, "Hello, did you like the course X and Y? How do you feel? Are you a better marketer? Please give us a rating from 1 to 10, etc." After a few weeks and months, a person will finish a course and we must email them again. For example, "Hey guys, did you finish your course? If you buy another course now, we can give you a great deal." At the end of the year, you can tell your customer that they are the best and offer them loyalty cards. Right now, I'm showing you all of these as separate emails, but they can be programmed as one script. So in the beginning, when they subscribe to you, they will automatically receive the rest of your email chain. You can program your emails to respond to user behavior. So if people interact with an email in a certain way, they will get a specific email based on that interaction. I can show you how it works with events. For example, let's say you register for a webinar event. After that, our academy sends a customer an email saying, "Hi Anton, we are looking forward to seeing you at the next webinar." Our speaker will be Anton Varniuk, and he is very knowledgeable in digital marketing. He will discuss the latest topics of digital marketing. Can't wait to see you there. After that, we have our call to action. You can say something like this: "If you want to get extra stuff, just click here." Notifications. Our webinar is tomorrow. Our webinar is in 10 minutes. Our webinar is online, etc. Feedback. An example of feedback would be, "Hello Anton, you have just visited our webinar. Would you mind giving us feedback? Did you like it?" Service. Service is all about asking your audience how you can customize their experience to fit their needs better. Retention. You are our best client. Let's work together again, etc. All of these emails can be programmed to be sent automatically. You can use SendPulse or Hootsuite to do this. Trigger mailings are very common with educational sites such as Udemy. Trigger mailings are automatic messages sent to users after they perform a certain action. For example, when you register for a Udemy course, you will receive a message like, "Welcome to the Digital Marketing Strategy course. I'm thrilled that you have decided to enroll in this course and I hope that it helps you achieve your objective or exceed your expectations, etc." Upon completion of a course, you will get another automatic message, like this: "Hi, dear student. Congratulations on completing your online digital marketing strategy course. I hope you can climb to new heights and achieve all of your goals, etc." The first example was a welcome message and the second example was a congratulations message. Both were automatically sent and considered trigger mailings. Each trigger mailing will have at least one main goal. In our first letter, our goal was to introduce ourselves, and in the second letter, our goal was to convince users to give us feedback about the course and leave reviews. Udemy ranking algorithm is based on reviews and review ratio, so we always ask our students to give out their feedback using wonderful trigger emails. Don't hesitate to implement trigger emails into your digital marketing campaign. Trigger emails are great tools that help us communicate with our audience in the right way. So try to use them when you communicate with your audience. Of course, every audience customer journey will change from time to time. So it's your job to customize your email chains to fit the needs of your audience. Okay, let's pause for a second. Please message me about how I can make my course better. You can write a personal message to me or express your concerns in the Q&A section.